Imagine a world where concentration is as rare as finding hidden treasure. Only a few lucky people have this superpower and achieve so much more than the rest. But don't worry, today I'll reveal the secrets that hinder your focus and show you how to improve. I know you're putting off important tasks right now, but trust me, this video will be worth every second. First, let's explore two types of focus, scattered and directed. Scattered focus is when we try to do many things at once, draining our energy. Directed focus, like that of high achievers, lets us concentrate on one thing and ignore distractions. To avoid scattered focus, eliminate distractions and stay away from anything that can harm your concentration. Imagine having focus units, like nuggets of attention. You have 5 of them at a time. If you use all of them for studying, you'll achieve directed focus. But wait, your mom interrupts, announcing dinner in 45 minutes. Even a 10-second interruption divides your attention. Thoughts of dinner distract you, and your focus drops. One focus unit is stolen by dinner plans, leaving your study session hanging. It takes time to get back on track, wasting mental energy. Oh, sneaky mom. But there's a bigger culprit, your phone. It buzzes, rings, and notifications drag your attention away. A little beep, and your mind wanders off. I'm not saying ditch your phone forever. When you need serious concentration, keep it somewhere safe, out of sight. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Out of sight, out of mind. But hold on, phones aren't the only focus snatchers. Anything can distract you. The key is to be aware of distractions and avoid them like a focused ninja on a mission. Your body can affect your focus too. If you don't get enough sleep, less than 7 hours, your concentration suffers. But don't worry, there's a solution. Science says getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep gives you sharp focus. Sweet dreams! Exercise is like magic for your mind. It releases special chemicals in your brain, like dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. These chemicals help you handle tough tasks. You don't need to run a marathon, just take a leisurely walk in nature. Bonus points for making friends with woodland creatures. Now let's quench our thirst for knowledge, literally. Hydration is the key to clear thinking. Ever wake up feeling foggy? It's because you haven't had any liquid for 8 hours, so grab some water and refresh your tired mind. To improve your focus, watch what you eat. Unhealthy snacks and sugary drinks can make it hard to concentrate. Find healthier alternatives to fuel your mind properly. Take care of your body to conquer focus challenges. Sleep well, stay active, drink water, and eat good food. Unlock the power of concentration and embark on a journey to greatness. Focus is a skill, my friends. At first, it may last only 10 minutes, but with practice, you'll become a focus ninja. Consistency is key. Set a specific time each day for intense concentration. Treat it like a ritual. Your attention span will grow stronger. Don't worry if you can't concentrate for hours yet. It's part of the journey. Persevere and level up your focus skills. Focus is a muscle you can train. Make it a habit. We've been waiting for that perfect moment of motivation, but let's be real, it may never come. Time to change our approach. Here's the plan. Set a daily dedicated time for focus. Make it a habit, like brushing your teeth or watching funny cat videos. The morning is the best time for this focus showdown. Wake up alert and ready to conquer. No distractions, no excuses. Artists, writers, and philosophers knew this secret. Afternoons can be challenging, but with calm and quiet, you can still summon focus. Create a peaceful oasis and clear your mind. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. Make focus a daily ritual. Gear up, calm your mind, and charge into the battle of unwavering attention. Concentrating for long periods can be exhausting. Take brain breaks to recharge. Don't get trapped in social media or online videos. Instead, try calming activities like walking, meditating, or napping. Brain breaks aren't just for switching focus, they also enhance intense concentration, like taking a breather between sprints. Imagine running for an hour. Would you relax for 15 minutes or do more exhausting exercises? Choose rest to conserve energy. After an hour of focus, disconnect from stimulation. Take a leisurely stroll or do something peaceful. Remember, choose wisely for brain breaks. Unstimulate and rest your magnificent brain. Then return with renewed energy. Now would be a good time to introduce the legendary Pomodoro technique, my focus-hungry comrades. It's a fusion of intense concentration and refreshing breaks. Choose a task and set a 25-minute timer. Focus fiercely, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times. Victory! After 4 sessions, enjoy a well-deserved 30-minute break. Bask in the glory of your accomplishments. Adapt the technique to your needs. Customize the work and rest intervals. Find your perfect balance. I've covered a lot of information, so a review of what we've discussed would be tremendously helpful. First, we covered the two types of focus, scattered and directed. Aim for directed focus and avoid distractions. Take care of your body to enhance your mind. Sleep, exercise, hydrate, and eat well. Concentration is a skill. Train it like a sport to improve your focus. Make focus a daily ritual. Choose a dedicated time, preferably in the morning, with minimal distractions. Unstimulate your brain with activities like meditation, nature walks, or naps. Avoid digital temptations, especially in the evening. Take breaks to recharge your mental energy and expand your focus abilities. Try the Pomodoro technique, focused work sessions followed by short breaks. Our adventure ends here. You were attentive the entire time. Congrats, your ability to focus is improving already. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to pop the subscribe button and watch more of our informative videos.